Welcome to Creata classes. In this lecture, we will see how to calculate area of a circle or the visual proof of area of a circle using animation and visual tools. Okay? Circles have slightly different concept of finding area as it does not have any sides. So its concept of finding area will be different from triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay? So let's start with finding area of the circle. Let's have a circle. We have to calculate the area of the circle. Let's divide the circle into equal parts. Let's take these parts out of the triangle. Let's take half of the parts on the upper side and half of the parts on lower side. Let's join them. We got a figure. Are you able to observe this is somewhat resembling a rectangle? Not a perfect rectangle, but somehow closer to the rectangle. Okay? Let's again divide the circle into equal parts. This time we will divide it into larger number of sections. Let's take half of the part on upper side and half on the lower side. We got a figure. This figure is now somewhat closer to the rectangle. Okay? The point I want to focus is that as we keep on dividing the circle into more parts, our final figure after reassembling of the parts will more look like a perfect rectangle. Okay? If we divide the circle into infinite parts, our rectangle will be fully perfected. Okay, and area of this rectangle is equal to area of the circle. Okay, because this rectangle is found from the circle only. Okay, both area will be equal to each other, and we know area of a rectangle is equal to length into width. So firstly, let's find the length and width of this rectangle. For this rectangle, this side will be equal to radius of the circle. Okay, any issue, this is equal to radius. And what will be this side? For that we again have to go back to the first figure. Here we will better understand it. Okay, we have divided the circle into these parts. We know circumference of circle is 2 pi r. We have just calculated. Means this distance is 2 pi r. Okay, and we have placed half of circle parts on upper side and half on lower side. Okay, means we have divided this 2 pi r into two parts, half on upper and half on lower. That is 2 pi r by 2 is equal to pi r, means pi r on upper side and pi r on lower side. So we got the length of the rectangle as pi times r. Okay, so let's calculate the area of the rectangle, that is length into width. That will be r into pi r, that is pi r square. Okay, this is the formula for area of the circle. Okay, pi r square. This is also very famous formula. Okay, so that's it for the area of the circle. Hope you have enjoyed it. Visit us at creataclasses.com. Link is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you very much.